One is whether or not to open up a pot of money to communities in small towns.
State lawmakers put Proposition 2 on the ballot to allow those communities to install water and sewer lines. KXAN political reporter Phil Prazan spoke to lawmakers about it earlier today.
Towns in central Texas like Canyon Lake, Harper, Comfort, and the unincorporated area called Green Pastures can't always raise the money locally to put water and sewer pipes in the ground. They look to state lawmakers and the Water Development Board to help pay.
We all know that every single Texan deserves clean water in their home and to be healthy and safe. You can't have that without running water.
Driftwood Democrat Representative Aaron Zwiener tells me the fund has helped more than 40,000 people over the years. The thing is, it's out of money. So the proposition would direct $200 million in bonded state debt to the fund for low-interest loans. That could pay for about half of the to-do projects on the list. Now, some conservatives voted against the idea because it would add to state debt. The idea passed 114 to 27 in the House, 22 to 8 in the Senate.
The reason people are against it is if you really want to be fiscally responsible, but they think that it's free money, but it's not free money. Okay, these are low-interest loans.
I spoke with Fredericksburg Republican Kyle Biederman through FaceTime. He tells me local areas would have to match some of the money. Both Biederman and Zwiener support the proposition, and now it's up to the voters.
Just feel that it might be best for the people to have a say-so. And so give it a statewide, let the people make a decision whether they want these things in law.
Phil Prazan, KXAN News.
Both Representatives Biederman and Zwiener will be at a town hall meeting tomorrow night to take your questions. It's from 6 to 8 at night at the McKenna Event Center in New Braunfels. It's hosted by the Comal County Conservation Alliance. We have details on that at KXAN.com.
Phil mentioned that some of the areas that could use the money in Central Texas, but most places in the Economically Distressed Areas program are in South Texas. We have a map from the Water Development Board. It shows which counties have communities that are in the program. The median household income in the community must be less than 75% of the statewide median income to qualify. So that's less than $44,500. Those communities can use the money to plan, design, buy, and build water and wastewater projects.